introduce Filipino cuisine to
Welcome to Korea.
Oh my gosh.
Korean Filipino innovation.
We've started getting ready.
I think I'm still on cloud 9.
It's our day 0 in Seoul.
here we go.
Good luck.
That's really bad. Oh my God, my skin.
Wala.
That's not good.
Order for table number 100. Hi. Medyo parang dumadami sila.
Nabigay kayo na chef yung order ni table number 1.
Oh my gosh, my bad.
Parang mali yung ginawa ko.
We need help.
Chef!
몇 분이세요? 아, 네.
At sinigang, one palabok.
I have to try.
완전 괜찮아. 도와줄게.
sinigang. 알겠습니다.
3 na salad.
Palabok.
Fish.
Table number 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.